Okay, happy Wednesday, sixth graders. I'm going to go over for you what your assignment is today. Today we're going to switch gears and we're going to be working back in Scratch. So you're going to, on Google Classroom, under Wednesday, February 27th, you're going to see this video that I'm doing right now, and then you will also see a copy of this document for you. What you are going to be working on today is creating a remix in Scratch. So you'll want Google Classroom open, this document, and also Scratch. So let me go through with you what your project is and then maybe give you an example. So in Scratch, one of the biggest things about Scratch that makes it interesting is that you have the ability to remix or redo someone else's project. So I do want you to take a few minutes before you get started today and actually read through these short paragraphs about what a remix is, why the Scratch team has everything be remixable on the Scratch site, this section about what if you don't want others to remix, and then this section on can I use images, sound, and media from the internet for my projects. So I do want you to read through this, but I want to go over with you real quick what your actual assignment is, and that's right down here, numbers 1 through 4. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be going on to Scratch, and you're going to find a quiz that is programmed differently than the one that we made last week. So the one we made last week, remember, had sprite buttons that people clicked on to answer the questions. So you're going to need to be looking around in the Scratch community for a quiz that is programmed differently. So an example of that might be a fill-in-the-blank quiz. Okay. So once you find a quiz that you're interested in, you're going to remix it. And the topic can be anything school appropriate. It does not have to be a school content like we did our quiz last week. You can choose anything, video games, sports, books, movies, whatever you are interested in. Then you're going to give credit to the original creator of the work, and I'll show you this in just a second. The new version of Scratch, Scratch 3.0, does this part for you, the name of the author, the link to the work, and then part you add is the summary of how you changed it in the notes and credits section. Then once you finish remixing it, then as far as turning something in for me, you're going to screenshot your project page that includes the notes and credits section and just paste it on this second page. So your screenshot would go right down here below the words your screenshot. So let me just kind of give you an example of what I'm talking about. You're first going to start off going into the Scratch community and looking around for something that's interesting to you that you want to remix. So since we are looking for a quiz, some things that you might search for, some keywords might be trivia, might be the word quiz. Maybe if you're interested in a particular topic, I'll just put quiz for now. Okay. And what you'll see, lots of stuff is going to come up as far as different types of quizzes that you can take. Remember that what you are looking for is for a quiz that does not have buttons as how you work through it. So this one, I'm just going to pull this one up because I know it's not created with buttons. It's a fill-in-the-blank type quiz. So I'm going to pull this up real quick and just kind of show you how this one is made. Okay, so this one you can tell has been remixed quite a bit. That's what this symbol right here means. This is the remix symbol. So 157 times people have remixed this. And you can see remixes down here on the right. Okay. So you can go through here and see what other people have done. Okay. So I'm going to go back up to the top here and play it. The instructions told me that I need to hit the space bar, so that's how I know that I have to do that. So what this is, it kind of explains to you how to make a fill-in-the-blank quiz, which is this is somewhat similar to what we did when you created variables for your answer, clicked, and score. But this is actually using one of the blocks that asks, and then the person fills in the blank. So I'm going to show you just real quick what See Inside looks like. And you can see some questions here, okay, and how they put it together. So let's say I look at this one and I go, okay, this is interesting to me. I think I'm going to remix this one and change the topic a little bit. So you would hit the remix button here. And what you'll notice when you do it is that it automatically comes up and tells you, if you saw that little green box up here, that it remixed it. Okay, so you can tell up here in my name of the title, it's got remix in it now. So now I am free to come in here and change this around and ask whatever questions I want to ask. So maybe instead of me asking questions about who's the creator of the tutorial and things like that, maybe I really like dogs, and so I'm going to ask you questions about a certain breed of dog or something like that. So what you're going to want to do is figure out what kind of topic you want to use, what kind of quiz you want to make. You're going to remix it, okay? And then once you get it remixed and finished, you'll go back to the project page. And this is where I was asking you to do a screenshot of what you've done. So what I would do here, okay, notice Scratch goes ahead and tells you where we got the original project. This is new. You used to have to type this in, but now Scratch does this part for you. So it tells you the username of the person who made the original project and links you to the original project. That way, if somebody sees your project out in the Scratch community and they want to see where you got your ideas, they can easily get to them from here. So this is the original instructions part. If you change something, what you want to do down here in notes and credits section is you're going to type in there and give credit for your ideas. Where did you get your artwork? Thank people for their help, those types of things. Okay, so that's going to go in the notes and credits. Once you finish, what I need for you to turn is to screenshot this. Then you'll switch back to your remix page and you will paste it down here. Okay, folks, I would like for you to have fun with this. Find a topic that's interesting to you and just run with it. I think you can, feel free to add music and animation and whatever you want to do on it. You will have today, Wednesday, and tomorrow, Thursday, to work on this in class, and then I will be back to school on Friday, and we'll see how you've done. Have a great day, and I'll see you Friday.